Today at Secret Super Chef we have Strawberry Strudel Muffins. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and this is the perfect breakfast muffins that you can make for your loved ones. Let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe we'll need fresh strawberries. Here I've taken chopped 1 cup fresh strawberries. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 large egg and half cup granulated sugar. Whisk until well combined. Add a few drops of vanilla. Add 1/4 cup butter. You can also add 1/4 cup neutral oil. Add 1/4 cup yogurt. Make sure it's not very sour. Whisk till the mixture turns pale and yellow. And make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature. Once our wet ingredients are whisked thoroughly, let's add the dry ingredients. Sieve everything. Here I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Discard the lumps and the residues. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Let's incorporate the dry and the wet ingredients together. You can whisk them or you can fold them using a spatula. Our muffin batter is all ready. Finally, using your spatula, fold in the diced strawberries. I have added 1 cup. You can go up to 1.5 cups too. Fold in the diced strawberries. It looks like that there are a lot of strawberries here, but don't worry, the quantity mentioned is perfect. Take the muffin molds and grease them thoroughly. If you have silicone molds, you can use them too. Fill the muffin cups till they are 3/4 full. These muffins will rise, so do not overfill them. Let's prepare our strudel topping. In a bowl, add 2/3 cup all-purpose flour. Add 1/3 cup brown sugar. Using a fork, just give a quick whisk. Let's add 1/4 cup salted butter. Make sure the butter is not melted or in liquid consistency. Mix until coarse crumbs are formed. If you do not want, you can skip the crumb, but it will give a nice texture. Just take the crumb mixture in your hand and fold it tightly. If it holds together, it is the perfect crumb mixture. If it does not hold, add a little more butter. Let's take the pre-filled muffin molds and place the strudel toppings over it. Fill the topping generously, almost 1 to 2 teaspoons for each muffin. Spread it evenly and generously because this will give a nice crumbly texture to our soft strawberry muffins. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and bake the muffins at 170 degrees Celsius for 9 to 10 minutes. Make a note, the baking time and the preheat time are different here. Also make sure to insert a skewer, and if it comes out clean, that means our muffins are ready. Cool the muffins in the muffin tins for 5 to 10 minutes. Demold them and then cool them on the cooling rack. These fully loaded strawberry muffins will be your next favorite breakfast muffin. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do let us know in the comment section how you liked it. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our recipes, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.